Edo State Ministry of Physical Planning, Urban and Regional Development don gbab one wayo bidder wey deceive the ministry go build wetin no dey original plan. TMC TV team come carry waka on Thursday 6 July 2023 with the ministry enter the said place for number 14 New Lagos Road by Evomore community sake of say the building no follow the plan wey they approve for am to build. Our tori person Nosaege wey report the matter to us for studio contact with Mr. Lucky Oka wey lead the waka on behalf of the ministry.
My brother, well done. This number 14 New Lagos Road for Evomore, this building where we turn up so, wetin dey really dey shele for here?
On Monday, when we do the routine patrol, now we see that they build this historic building gatehouse. Now we stop, ask for their permit because now illegal for you to build for Edo without permit. Now the owner say he get permit or he go bring and come office. As he come, before I do that one, now we go check our record. We actually see say he get permit. But when we come bring the permit come out, we can't see say wetin we approve for and make it build, not be waiting the ground. And the reason why my ministry direct me make we come seal up this place today.
If you took man for the plan wey be say una approve for am, if you took man make you analyze am for us, make Edo people understand say coming to this place not just be waiting that they build una see, na make una stop. As una go check una book, una come say the record different from the record wey dey ground.
Yes, waiting we approve for am for record. Now one single story building, we get space where for the small land we get. But now he come build 2-story building as you see am now, and he build it come wide, almost they enter the road we pass the side. That one a contravention against town planning laws of the state and the reason. So we not dey tolerate them. You not go fit get Mercedes Benz, you can't go dey buy Toyota parts, they service them or they repair them. So we not dey allow this kind of illegality for Edo, and the reason why we dey here today. He get plan, but the plan will be for them, what we approve for them, not be waiting come build. He just deceive government. Say, I get plan though, may I go do wetin I like. And the reason why we come, enforce, seal up the property, make it bring them back to wetin we approve for them.
Now don't reach the person where they build this place, or now just they seal am without contacting the person where we say he get this place gone.
The day where we come serve and notice, which was on Monday this week, the person there on ground. Now he tell us, say, I get plan oh, I go bring and come. If I bring the one we'll give and come, now we check our record, check say waiting we approve for and not being built. He's aware.
Thank you very much.
From TMC TV studio, A. Carter Ojesele, TMC TV News.